In this video, I'll be talking about how you can get YouTube Kids on your Samsung TV. Now, on most Samsung TVs, there will be an app store where you can download it, so let me just quickly show you. Now, if you have the app store on the Samsung TV, there will be YouTube Kids in there. So try and look for the app store in there, which is called the Smart Hub. So go into the Smart Hub and look for apps and then search for YouTube Kids. Now, most of the time, the app will already be in there, and then you can just download it from there. Now, if you don't have YouTube Kids, what you can do is you can just use the normal YouTube app and add some restrictions to make it kid-friendly. So open up YouTube app, go into your account, go to the settings inside the app, and go to restricted mode. Now, when you put this on, it will filter out all the inappropriate stuff and make it more kid-friendly. So those are the ways that you can do it. Like I said, this one up here will work for 95% of people, so that is how it's done. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.